The chairman of a large company invited guests to a famous restaurant. They all ordered steak. Near the end of the meal, the chairman spoke to his accompanying secretary. "Bring the chef who cooked this steak here. It should be the chef, not the manager." The secretary saw that the chairman had only eaten half of the steak, worried about what would happen next, and told the chef what he said. The chef was very nervous when he was called. It was because he knew that the chairman was a famous person. The chef asked the chairman in a trembling voice, "Is there something wrong with our steak?" Then the chairman said, "No, you're such a great chef. The steak was very delicious today. But my taste is not the same as before because I'm already 80 years old. So I could only eat half of it today. I asked you to see me because I thought you wouldn't feel comfortable if the steak I left today went into the kitchen. I wanted to tell you that I left steak not because of your poor cooking skills." This story is about Konosuke Matsushita, the founder of Panasonic, the largest Japanese consumer electronics company. Everyone should, but those in leadership positions should have a more respectful attitude. This is because when members feel respected, they commit to leaders and organizations.